In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Deribit account. So whether you are starting out with crypto trading or expanding your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. So first, make sure you are on the official website of deribit.com. So on the dashboard, you will see here your total account value. So in here, you will see here a wallet together with the buy crypto button. So click on the wallet in order to access the deposit features here in Deribit account. So as you can see in here, we have a assets or cryptocurrency that we can deposit. So in order to add a money in here, so select any cryptocurrency or asset that you want to deposit in a money. So for the actions, just simply click the deposit button and then you will see here your BTC deposit address. So assumingly we have on that, just simply copy on that and then go to your chosen bank account and then paste your deposit address in there. So in order to generate a deposit address here in Deribit, you'll need to get verified first in here in order to open these features, which is the generate a deposit address. And that's it. That's how to deposit money here in Deribit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.